Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we will learn how to system update in Vivo Y3s smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the app drawer, then click the settings. Now we need to click on the system update. Now the system update is already downloaded. So if you want to update that, you need to click on install now. Now the upgrade is verifying now. And click OK. Now the phone is restarted. Wait for a few minutes. Now the update process is beginning. You need to wait some time. Now the update is completed. The phone is restarting again. We need to wait some time. Now the apps is optimizing by Vivo. Now you need to enter your pattern. Now the phone is successfully updated. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.